Hello pool players, I'm going to show you two shots here that if you can master, you're going to take your game to that next level. We're going to try to draw this cue ball back where I'm standing and have a nice straight in shot for this 8 in that corner over there. Very difficult shot. We'll explain the layout in a second. Very good. Now the second shot I want to show you is from the same position. It's a little bit easier shot, and it's a shot that if we can't shoot this 8 ball in this pocket because this red is in the way from coming in that direction, we need to come over to this side from the same shot. So let's take a look at this. I like to shoot this shot with pure side spin because I want to miss that red ball. And that is perfect. Now let's break down these shots in further detail. Our layout is very important. Notice here that I've got the red ball next to the 8 ball. This is our blocker that stops us from playing position from one side to the other. Next, let's look at our side diamonds to see how our layout is. Notice that we have the 8 ball straight up from the first diamond. Then the second set of balls are up from the second diamond. We've got one ball that's at the third diamond, and then we've got the cue ball that's at center table. Now the blocker balls up at the top, they're all in line with the object ball. Then when we look at length of table, all balls are aligned with the diamonds. And our object ball will be located one ball width off the cushion at the second diamond. So now let's shoot shot number 1 again. Because of the one red ball that I go by right there, we have to stroke this shot with finesse power. So let me try to explain and show you what I feel finesse power is. Here I'm demonstrating having a very flexible wrist and loose fingers. When we have a loose grip and a flexible wrist, we can develop finesse power. So now let's take a look at cue ball action with shot number 1. And now let's take a look at it in super slow motion. We can really see the draw spin as well as the side spin as a cue ball comes into the object ball. So now let's zoom in a little closer and slow it down even more. What I'd like to really point out is the draw and side spin, and how when the cue ball slows down, the side spin starts to take over and draws back off the cushion. This is what true finesse power looks like in action. So now let's break down shot number 2. And once again, let's look at this shot in real time. As with shot number 1, shot number 2 also requires finesse power. And so that we get around that red ball, we need to hit that center diamond with lots of side spin. And here's a good look at that side spin. And once again, let's zoom in closer and then slow it down even more. You can really see the revs I'm imparting on the cue ball, which makes it bite the side cushion so that we can hit that center diamond, which helps us get around that last red ball. And something I did not mention but is very important, shoot these shots from both sides of the table. I assure you, if you can master these two shots with this layout, you will have learned how to shoot with finesse power, and you will up your game tremendously. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, please share this video with others, as it really helps my channel. Also hit that like, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you'd like to see another informative video, Watch this one right here, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.